Give me smiles, you astronauts. You say cheese? Come on. Now you walked in it. Before where you were was fine.
Well, that's why I meant.
Here we go. You're going up. Who's the helicopter pilot? Yeah.
This one goes around like a garden. And do they have special... Lauren's the only one too around here. Where's yours? Elizabeth's got to wait till Wednesday. We got to have a hat for her.
We'll have to put a birthday hat on.
Put it in the front. Happy birthday. Oh, Aaron is a unicorn. It's a unicorn.
Are you going to put a hat on too, Melissa?
No. It's hot.
Yeah, it is kind of hot.
Okay.
Are we all going to sing happy birthday? The hat is going to fall off.
You're a unicorn too? Aaron, look at Auntie Debbie.
All the girls smile. Smile, say cheese. Good girl. Let me get in there first. We sing happy birthday? Are we ready? Okay, who starts? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Elizabeth. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow out the
You get to blow out the candle. Make a wish and blow out the candle.
Make a wish, blow out the candle.
Auntie Cheryl's hands were in the way, but
Oh, I'm sorry.
that's
You got your head my way too.
well,
I got a big
let me
head
take
and
one
big
shot.
hands. What can I say?
Okay.
Yeah.